In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily manually focus on an object you need on your iPhone's camera. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Camera app. By default, when we pointing our camera at some object, it will automatically detect object at the foreground, and the rest part of the photo will be a background. The key here is that foreground is always sharp, and as you can see now, the background, my keyboard, is a little blurred. However, we can focus at any object manually. Let's say I would like to focus on a keyboard. All we have to do in this case is just tap at an object you would like to focus on, just like that. As you can see, now this card is blurred and the keyboard is sharp. Now I'm going to take two different pictures to compare. First off, let's focus on that object, and then let's focus on a keyboard. Now let's compare two pictures. I think you got the difference. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.